What your boss can track about you within Microsoft Teams. That is what this video is about. But first, my name is Paul Keizers. I'm the owner of KB Works and I'm a specialist in Microsoft Teams, SharePoint and Copilot and Viva. But let's go into the video. So what can your boss track about you within Microsoft Teams? Within Microsoft Teams, you will see that if you send a message, you will see this icon here. So this means that it's seen. So your boss could see when you send out a message that you have sent it. This you can easily disable by going to settings, privacy, and here you can select that you don't want to have read receipts. Further on, you can say I don't want to work with surveys, and I can even block contacts, but that's more on another topic. So what can your boss see more about you? So herefore we go to Microsoft Teams Admin Center. And if we are in the admin center, we can look at users. So I can go to manage users. So this could do your boss and click on the users. And here we see what profile and activity has been. So there has not been a lot of activity, but you can see, for example, who where you are a member, what kind of teams you are in, if you have a voice enabled, voicemails, your meetings and calls. You can see which Teams devices you use, which policies are active, and the usage. So they can see your usage, and I can say last 30 days, for example, and I want to see all. And this is mainly about calling and the costs. As you can see, I didn't do a lot of calls and dial out calls with this account. So this is on your personal level. Further, your boss could see the analytics and reports, usage reports. And here we see that we have apps usage, where we can say for how long. I will do a long term, 180 days. And if I scroll down here, you can see that it shows the app ID, but it doesn't show you which user is using it or anything like that. So for example, if we go to, let's go to Teams usage and do the same. Here we see that which team has been used a lot, but you don't see any usage details. If we do that for user activity, let's run that one. And here you see that there is some activity, but you cannot see a lot about it. So let me check if here is, for example, Debbie. Well, what we can see is the shared channel tenant names, posts, he had 3 and 8 urgent messages, which is quite a lot. The total meetings and organized meetings, meeting participants at ad hoc meetings. Let's go back here. And further we see some meetings more scheduled, recurring meetings, video time, minutes. So they can see things like this, but they cannot tell who you were calling with or who you were chatting with. All that kind of stuff is default not available. So maybe there's a third-party app that can help with that, but by default it's all off, and you shouldn't be able to see it, even as if I was your boss, for example. So this is about the Teams part. Now, I also thought, okay, let's go to Viva, because it's nice to show it what you can see here. Like and subscribe to my channel and share this channel with everyone you know. Tenant, so that's why there's a big block. And here you see what, for example, if there's a survey made in Clint, you will see that. And this is what your manager sees. And you can go to the heat report and show some information about it. And then go to the dashboard again back. So here you will find some more information, but it's all anonymized, so you won't see any names here. So that's a really important thing to know. Let's go here. You can even use Copilot in the Viva, which is great, of course. Let me click on it. Then we get a Viva Insights, and this is about your work-life balance. So here we can see some items, but we cannot see, for example, who has been working a lot, or who was a lot in the office, or who only works at home. Things like that it's not visible. So that's why I just show you the report. So you have an idea of what's in there. Yeah, that's it about the Viva part, which I want to show. Oh, there's more. Hold on. So we see urgent collaboration. You see some more around here. And then you can go to Viva Pulse, and you can send off a pulse within the organization. But you don't see the employee numbers. So that's basically it. So this is what your boss can see about you. Thanks for watching. And for my recommended video, you can click here and you will find it there. Thanks for watching.